Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create different various fancy charts in the Excel, in the Microsoft Office, in the Excel program. And in the next video I'm going to show you how you can basically transfer this generated chart to PowerPoint and how you can make animation on that. So okay, let's just start with the simple one. So here, as you can see, we can enter the data like that. Here, these types like column titles, you can choose different names. I just choose this information, and here I add the data. Here is the attack type. Here is the data, the number for each of these things, and I want to have, for instance, a 2-bar chart, something like that. So actually I can remove this bar to just show you how a simple one works out. And after you create that, you just need to select and go to to insert this tab, and then over here you can find the chart, which type of chart you would like. So I, for instance, like bar chart, something like that. I can choose this, or I can choose a better one. Okay, insert, and you can also use like pie chart, as you can see here. Okay, let me close that. You can choose various type of basically charts, like this one, even more like histograms, like scatters, bar chart. I use bar chart most of the time. You know, for instance, I can use this one, that one, or etc. Or column charts. So I use column chart. And here you can see the column here. Here you can actually enlarge that. You can actually copy, paste, use this to other softwares. For example, in your PowerPoint, you can change the title here. You can just double click on that and change the title. And you can do other fancy jobs. For instance, if you want to add 2 bar chart, for instance, there is a comparison, you know, with 2 situation. I just okay, I'm going to just make this one, for instance, second bar, something like that, and give different numbers, like just random numbers. Something like that. And then I select and make like a comparison chart, 2-bar comparison, something like that. So here we go. Bars. You can see bars here like this. I personally like this one. Here we go. So that was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked this video. Please like that and subscribe to this channel, and please write down your comments in the section below. And thank you very much for your time, and have a good day. Bye bye.